Hi everyone and welcome to this new video. Today we are going to make a fabulous French recipe, the croissant. You'll have all the details of the recipe and some advice to make it successfully. Let's start by making the puff pastry. You'll need 400 grams of flour, ,50 grams of soft butter, a pinch of salt, 125 grams of water, 125 grams of milk, 50 grams of sugar, and 10 grams of baker's yeast. Start by mixing the yeast with the water, the milk, and add the half of the sugar. Put the flour, the sugar, and the salt in a bowl, mix it, add the previous mixture. When the dough is obtained, add the very soft butter and mix it in the bowl. Finish it on the working pan. You can also use a food processor slow speed for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the dough is soft. Cover it and let it rest at room temperature for at least 3 hours. Take 200 grams of soft butter. It needs to have this texture. Place it on baking paper and fold it to create a 10 cm square. Spread the butter and put it in the fridge. Next step is the folding step, one of the most important steps of the recipe. Take the dough and spread it finely. Put the butter in the center of the dough and fold it on the butter. Spread the dough in a rectangle. The length needs to be 3 times longer than the width. Fold the dough in 3 and put it in the fridge for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, spread it again in a rectangle. Fold the edges and fold the dough in 2. To have a good puff pastry, do these folds once again. After the 4 folds, take your dough out of the fridge and spread it in a rectangle of 60 cm length and 25 cm width. Cut the edges. Do a round mark at 5 cm of the inferior edge of the dough and all the 10 cm. Do it all the 10 cm in the superior edge. Cut the dough in triangles. Pull the dough and roll it. Finally, take 1 egg yolk and 5 ml of milk. Mix it and put it on the croissant. Put them in the oven for 30 minutes. Well, it's done. The last step is to enjoy. If you have liked the video, don't forget to subscribe, to like or to comment. Thank you and bon appétit!